Closing arguments wrapped in the first ever criminal trial of a former president.
And now the jury will have to decide if former President Trump is guilty or not guilty. Fox's Caroline Elliott joins us live from New York Criminal Court with more on what happens next. Caroline.
Well, Tom, Courtney, prosecutors are close to wrapping and closing arguments now, and then all the focus will be on the jury. Jury deliberations are expected to begin tomorrow morning, and after that, it's really up to the jury to decide in this case. Now, there's no way to know how long this will take, but we do know there are 34 counts to consider here, so the jury could take some time. Again, these charges go back to allegations that Donald Trump directed a six-figure payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels, and that he did this to protect his campaign in 2016. In closing arguments today, Trump's legal team told the jury there's no evidence that Trump knew anything about this payment, and also asked jurors to keep politics out of this decision. Trump's attorney said, quote, "This is not about who you voted for or who you plan to vote for. The verdict you're going to reach has to do with what you've learned in the courtroom and nothing else." Trump's attorney told the jury once again that the cover-up had nothing to do with this election, and the purpose was to protect Donald Trump's family and reputation. But prosecutors are telling the jury a different story. The DA's office told the jury that Donald Trump orchestrated this entire cover-up, and the so-called hush money scheme was meant to help Donald Trump's campaign. Prosecutors said Trump himself directed these payments and reminded the jury of testimony from his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, who said Trump knew all about this plan. In the courtroom hallway today, Trump continued, saying there's no crime here.
We have a judge who's highly conflicted. He happens to be corrupt. It's the worst confliction. It's the worst that anybody's seen. Nobody's ever seen anything like it.
And as of right now, we're set to begin tomorrow morning with jury instructions. Tom, Courtney.
All right, Caroline, it'll be interesting to see what happens. A lot of people waiting for that verdict. Severe storm.